Attorneys representing Middlebury College and the former Vermont Governor Jim Douglas went before the Vermont Supreme Court this morning when they were on the road in Royalton.
Yeah, this is the newest development in a years-long conflict over an attempted name change to a college's chapel made in 2023. NBC5's Lindsay Jones was there and has more on each side's arguments.
The Vermont Supreme Court heard arguments here at the Vermont Law and Graduate School on Wednesday on whether or not the school had the right to change the building's name from Meade Memorial Chapel to Middlebury Chapel. In 2021, Middlebury College announced it was changing the name of its campus chapel, which was previously named after John Meade, who served as the Vermont governor from 1910 to 1912. Meade provided the college with significant funding to build the chapel. Middlebury College cited Meade's ties to eugenics as the reason for the name change, but former Governor Jim Douglas says the college also promoted the eugenics movement and is using Meade as a scapegoat.
Instead of owning up to its own history, the college is engaging in a cover-up and threw Governor Meade under the bus. That's just wrong.
Governor Douglas filed a breach of contract lawsuit against Middlebury College in 2023, but a judge ruled in favor of the school, allowing the chapel to keep its new name. On Wednesday, the Vermont Supreme Court heard Douglas's appeal. He hopes to see the case go to trial.
We'd like the Supreme Court to decide that there was, in fact, either a contract or a potential contract, and let us take this case to a jury.
The attorney for Middlebury College argued that Meade's donation offer served as a charitable gift, not an enforceable contract. And even if it was considered a contract, he says it would not hold up today.
A pledge has been treated as a form of contract up to the point where the gift is completed.
The attorney argued that while Meade was initially given some input and control over the building's design, this does not protect the name now. The college is asking the Supreme Court to dismiss the case.
I think it's one thing to approve the plans. I think it's a thin reed to say that there was a perpetual condition to use this name.
The court will either return the case to the Superior Court or dismiss the case entirely. That decision is not expected for several months. In Royalton, Lindsay Jones, NBC5 News.